Hi, I hope you're doing well. My name is Katie, and today we're going to go over our e-file return task. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and click Get for Free. Then you're going to go ahead and go to Firm Templates, Tasks, and then e-file return. Here you can see everything that is involved in your task. You've got your description. It, it's assigned to the role of preparer. It starts in 0 days, which means it starts today. It's due in 3 days. And then you've got your subtasks. You can include this in your pipeline or as a one-off task. Go ahead and click Save and Exit, and we're going to do this. It's a one-time task. So like New, Task, Accounts. We're going to go ahead and do my test account under my name. I'm going to select our template, which is e-file return. And we're going to go ahead and review this task. So we have it assigned to our preparer role. We have our description that it starts today and is due in 3 days. And we have our subtasks. Our subtasks are to make sure that we confirm if it's accepted or rejected. And if it is rejected, we want to inform the client through a personalized chat to let them know, get the correct information so that we can fix that return. We're going to go ahead and click Create. This is going to assign that task to the client. You can see that it is assigned to me, but it'll show whoever it is assigned to on this page, the due date, and the beginning of the description. If you don't know what this task is, you can go ahead and click on it, and it again will show you everything involved in this task. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.